In this video, we are discussing social engineering attacks. Social engineering is one of the deadliest cyber attacks. It is one of the deadliest and most commonly perpetrated. This is because it targets the people. And how does it work? It exploits the trusting nature of humans. So, this is basically the exploitation of the trusting nature of humans in order to carry out a successful hack attack. Social engineering attack comes in different forms. It comes in the context of urgency, taking action. And one of the common ways that social engineering attacks are performed is through phishing, sending malicious emails that look like legitimate emails. This is a kind of message to watch out for. This is an Instagram message, and it can also come as an email asking you to take action. Emails that offer you free services, emails that cause you to panic. These are the kinds of emails and messages to look out for. You see how this is asking to offer me something for free. Do not fall victim. These are the tools we are going to use in our social engineering demonstration. And the first tool we are going to use is Zfisher. We are using Zfisher for login details hijacking. So first of all, we are going to install this application on our Kali Linux machine. We are going to install Zfisher from GitHub. So follow these steps to install applications from GitHub. Open your browser, search for Zfisher, and add the keyword GitHub. Hit enter. When installing applications from GitHub, it is recommended to read through the documentation. This will give you insight on how to use that application. Now take note of this. Just as it is stated here, this application, this tool is for educational purpose, and our demonstrations are for educational purposes. So do not use the knowledge in this video for malicious purposes, because the owner will not be held responsible, and I am not responsible for how you use the knowledge you're getting from this video. Scroll down to where it says installation. Copy this link, open your terminal. We are going to create a folder on our desktop, and we will call it applications. The directory we are putting all our secondary apps in. This is where we are putting all our secondary applications. Copy this link, paste it here, and hit enter. This will download Zfisher into its own folder called Zfisher. The installation is done. Type ls to view. It shows that Zfisher exists inside our apps directory. Go back to Zfisher on your browser. The next step says go to the directory and run zfisher.shell. And here are the steps. The next step says we should run bash zfisher.sh. Hit enter. This will install all the dependencies and then gives us all the activities that we can perform with Zfisher. You see, these are all the activities, all the operations we can perform using Zfisher. Now we're back to our exercise. Login details hijacking. The second tool we are going to install is a port forwarder called local expose. What this does is that it exposes our fake login page that we are going to generate with Zfisher to anyone on the internet. So let's install local expose. On your Kali Linux machine, open your browser. Visit the website localexpose.io. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Now create your account. When you verify your email, come back to click on login. Supply your login details and login. The next thing we are going to do is to download our installer file so we can install it on Kali Linux. Scroll down to where it says binary download for Linux. Click on the drop down and select AMD64 and click download. The download has been completed. Click on this icon to open it. Right click and click open terminal here. Type ls to view the content. This shows that local expose was successfully downloaded. We are going to extract this local expose. Type unzip, copy this and hit enter. This is extracted. Type ls to view again. This shows that local expose has been extracted. Now type this command to run it. Go to your account. Come to your account on your browser and go to your dashboard. Open dashboard. On your dashboard, click on access. Access. This will reveal your token because we are to supply the token here, your access token. Scroll down and click on access token to copy it. Go to your terminal and paste the token here. Right click and paste clipboard and hit enter. This says you have been logged in successfully. After supplying your access token and you're successfully logged in, the next thing to do is to run this command in order to log you to your dashboard so you can create a tunnel. This is where it loads you to. So from here, you can now add new tunnel. Click on add new tunnel. Give it a tunnel name. This can be anything. We're calling this one test. And then click on create. This shows that our tunnel has been created and it's running. So we're going to combine this with Zfisher and see what the result looks like. So right now, we are going to Zfisher and combine it with our port forwarder that has been successfully set up. And then let's see the demonstration. Now we are going to demonstrate the login details hijacking. This exercise is to demonstrate the flaws that exist in login forms that breed this kind of cyber attacks. Remember, before you launch any application you installed from GitHub, you have to be in the very directory. So in this case, we are already in Zfisher. So to run Zfisher, the command is bash zfisher.sh, Facebook as our platform. The traditional login page, and we are using local expose as our port forwarder. Do you want a custom port? No. Change local expose server region? No. Do you want to mask URL? No, for this exercise. Our various links have been generated, and we are going to start by testing the second one. Right click on it and copy link. I will send this to myself on my WhatsApp and watch what happens on this terminal the moment I open the link I shared from my phone. Now it says that my IP address has been found and it's saved to this file. Now I will type my login credentials, just a random credential that does not exist, and then hit login. This is what it means. So if this was sent to someone and then they supply their login details, it means that this account is going to be hijacked by the cyber criminal. So I'm going to open this same website on this computer so you see what happens. And then we discuss the vulnerabilities and why that kind of attack goes through. As you can see from here, it shows that this is Facebook. And now we have exactly what Facebook login screen looks like. At the same time, if we go to our terminal to observe what is going on, you see that it has found another IP address. Go back to our browser and take note of this login details I am going to supply. Login at gmail.com. The password is login 2224567 and click login. Let's go back to our terminal to observe what has happened. As you can see on our terminal, the information I supplied has been captured down here. Why is it possible for this type of attack to go through? What are the vulnerabilities here? We are going to deal with the vulnerabilities and then the solutions to those vulnerabilities. Now it has made contact with the correct Facebook server and it has given us this page. We are going to analyze the vulnerabilities and then find a solution to those vulnerabilities.